Okay, so this is a Golden Motor wheelchair kit. All the parts and accessories. Check on the website what you're ordering. They may be slightly different than this. You may have to order something separately. It's the battery. 24 volt, 20 amp battery. An aluminum case with a 2 amp charger and cable. Comes with a key switch for turning it on and off. Keys are hanging on the back handle. And you can see on the battery, on the other side, there's the charging port. And at the front, there's the discharge port. And that goes right onto the battery plug that goes to your joystick. Golden Motor joystick, all the normal functions of any joystick, how much battery you have left, forward, reverse, speed. This is also programmable. You can buy the programming part separate. Here are the two wheels. You can see the wheels are 24-inch Golden Motor wheels. On the motor, there's a brake switch. Just focus that a bit. That would be engaging the brake. Off. Engaging the brake. Off. You can tell by the sound how it's different between on and off. It also has a key sticking out here on the axle, sitting in a keyway. The axle on your wheelchair is going to need to have a keyway like that where the axle goes in, or you'll need to use this kit here, which is for clamping it to the bars on the chair.